Dude, that's crazy.
See ya! I have no idea how fast that is, but god dang it felt fast! You thought you was gonna keep up with me, didn't you?
What are you talking about? I let out of it.
Uh-huh, I'm sure you did.
You want to race?
Let's race. First one to the top of the hill.
How much horsepower do you think that thing's making?
This thing probably makes 250 to 300. Can you beat a 300 horsepower Corvette with 1100 horsepower TRX?
You ready? I'm ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I think we just jumped it!
We just jumped.
Yeah! What the hell's that, dude? Dude, are they still coming?